Now, every now and then something comes along that gets my attention, and it's usually somebody else's product that I'm promoting as an affiliate. But today, the thing that's got my attention is my product launch, my latest product launch. This is the Luxury Viral Reels package, 3,000 luxury wealth niche viral reels, B-roll clips. And I want to play you a voice note that I sent to Luan, my business partner in this, when I started going through this package to put together the sales page and the sales video. Listen to this.
I've got to be honest with you, I think that these are really, really good. So I am adding more because, I mean, for the price and for how many you get, the quality is just stunning, mate.
All right, that is the actual voice note that I sent through to Luan, and because he'd given me some samples to put on the sales page, I started going through the package. I was like, these are really, really good, like really good. You know, they're professionally filmed. A lot of them have got a soundtrack with them. A lot of them have got multiple cuts in one complete B-roll clip and one viral reel, and they're all so good that I am absolutely very, very proud to be able to offer you this at such a low price. And it is such a low price. Now, just to say, this is on a dime sale, right? So on every sale, it's going to go up. The price is going to go up, and it will keep going up every time somebody buys. So if you like the idea of it, get in sooner rather than later. So you might be thinking, okay, do I like the idea of it, Trev? Why would I want 3,000 luxury wealth niche B-roll viral reels? Why would you want that? Well, let me give you a few examples, all right? So there are a lot of people making a lot of money, I'm talking about anything from $10,000 to $50,000 per month up to $100,000 and way more using platforms like Instagram and viral reels to get attention. That's all they need to do, all right? They just upload the viral reels to get attention, and they direct people through to the link in their bio. You know, on Instagram, for example, upload the viral reel, you put the text in that goes with that, you talk about maybe the content that's in that viral reel. You know, if you'd like to live a life like this, let me show you how, click the link in my bio, or DM me how, for example, and I'll send you the details. That's all they're doing, honestly, and they're making an absolute killing. But the biggest thing, the biggest problem is having those B-roll and viral reel videos, all right? Creating those. I'm gonna assume that you don't have a $1.5 million yacht that you could walk about on doing your videos, you know, your selfies. I'm gonna assume that you don't have a Bentley Mulsanne or a Bugatti that you can go and film a video and show your Bugatti watch while you're doing it. I'm going to assume that you don't have those, because if you did have, you probably wouldn't be watching me right now. But with these videos, you don't need them. All right, you've got everything you need in these videos. All right, I just need to say this. I think I just said that you don't need those. So I said you probably don't have a Bugatti and a Bugatti watch and a Bentley Mulsanne, and that you don't need those because I've got these viral reels for you. Let's get something straight. You know, we all need those. We all need the Bentleys and the Bugattis and the yachts and all the stuff. So maybe don't take so much notice of that part of it. Everything else I said, spot on. And you'll find more samples below this video on my review page if you're on my review page. And if you're on YouTube, then just click the link and you'll go through to that. So you can get more of an idea. And when you go through to the sales page, I've put lots on there. And that's what I was saying to Luan in that voice message, is that, I mean, I think they're so good. I think we need to put more on the sales page. I think he gave me like 3 or 4, so I went through and put more on. Look, there's 3,000, right? So it's a massive bundle, and the price we're starting off at is so ridiculously cheap that even if you were just half interested, then you should definitely go for it. Like, you shouldn't even consider not going for it. So here's what you can do. If you don't have an Instagram account, or you're not doing YouTube shorts or TikTok or anything like that, then you can start one, right? You can literally just go and set up an Instagram account and start uploading these, right? You've got 3,000. So you could upload, I don't know, if you did 3 a day, let's see, if we go, right, so 3,000 divided by 3 is 1,000, right? So 1,000 days divided by 365 days of the year is 2.73 years, right? So for almost the next 3 years, you could upload 3 a day and you've got content done for you. So if you were thinking that you'll need to explode a new Instagram account, this would be the easiest way to do it. And then all you need is a high ticket offer to promote and put the link in your bio, or ask them to message you. So you call their attention and say, if you're interested in building a lifestyle like this, just DM me, and you give them the link, you know, as an affiliate. Or if you've got your own program, you can use your own program, you know, whatever you choose. So you can do that, right? That's definitely the first place to start. But then the other thing you can do is you're gonna get PLR rights with these, private label rights. That means that it can be your bundle, right? You can rename it, you can call it Wealth Reels or whatever you want, you know, I mean, whatever you come up with. You can go at ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you some stunning names for these, but you can sell the bundle yourself for whatever price you want and keep every penny you make, because this is private label rights. Or you can take that bundle of 3,000 and you could divide it up. You could take 1,000 front end, $27. OTO 1, 1,000, I don't know, $17. OTO 2, 1,000, $37, or whatever you choose, all right? So you could create your own offer like that. You could take these and you could offer this as a service to businesses to explode their social media accounts. You could say, look, I've noticed that you're not posting. You know, you've got this business, you've got your social media account, but you're not posting. I can do that for you for $1,000 a month, and don't worry about the content. I'll upload the content for you. And there you go, you've got a nice retainer bringing in a decent amount of money. However you choose to use these, there are multiple ways to make money, and it's done for you. So it's super, super simple. Now, as always, I'm gonna bribe you into getting this as well by including a really nice bonus bundle, and you'll find all the details of that below this video. But honestly, guys, you can't go wrong with this. You cannot go wrong. I was literally genuinely shocked when I saw how good these were, and that's why that conversation happened with me and Luan. They're really, really good. They're super, super cheap, and they're done for you, so it's easy. Dead easy. Now, I also would strongly recommend that you pick up the first upgrade, all right, honestly, because you get the chance to get another 6,000 viral reels. And we're going to give you PLR rights with that as well. So again, however you want to use it, for your own use, to sell the package on and keep every penny you make, to sell it as a service to local businesses all over the world. You know, however you choose to do that, you can do what you like. But you're not going to spend a lot of money, and you have the potential to make a serious amount of money. There are people living in Dubai, for example, that are making ridiculous money doing this, just uploading viral. It's that whole kind of Dubai feel, isn't it? Uploading viral videos and then directing them through to the link in their bio, or asking them to send a message in their DMs so they can give them the link. And they're making insane amounts of money as affiliates, just using these kind of B-roll viral reel videos. All right, so there's loads of ways you can use these. I would just say, get stuck in, get started, pick up the package, set up an Instagram account, start uploading some viral reels, choose an affiliate offer to promote. You might go low ticket with a high converting funnel, for example, or you might go mid ticket or high ticket, whatever works for you, but do that. And then think about using some of these as bonuses, lead magnets, and then also think about that service to small businesses, local businesses, which means anywhere in the world. A small local business is just a small local business that needs help. Doesn't matter where they are, because thanks to the internet, you can help them. All right, and thanks to AI, anything you're not sure about, you know, you just ask AI and it's going to give you the pointer on what you should be doing anyway. So don't worry about that. This is a chance for you to get stuck in and start earning some real money now with a real business opportunity that is not going to cost you much at all. So go ahead, click on the button now to go through my link. Make sure you're cookie to me. Check that the affiliate is Trevor Carr so you get my bonus bundle. I'll speak to you soon. You take care.